New Jersey. This is Boards and Bass Report coming to you from Manasquan, New Jersey. We have a sideways rain coming down right now. The wind has just switched to the northwest. There is a south swell kind of emerged from that ground swell. So with this wind, you definitely don't want to be in this part of Jersey. Definitely head south. Past LBI, northwest wind. I mean, it's coming down sideways right now. Look at that coming at us. Look at that wind. Oh boy. Ah, crazy. There's that cold front. Temperature's supposed to drop down to the 20s tonight, and a wind chill of 10. So looking forward to that. Well, good luck getting out there today, guys.